This is Series 1, Episode 27. I'm trying to do this video as quickly as I can, just to pre-warn people. So what I've got here, guys, is the NASDAQ daily chart. This is the daily time frame. And this is what I was looking at today on the 4-hour chart. Now you can see this big red candle. So I think the NASDAQ is on its way down. I know a lot of people are going to be upset at me saying this, but I just have to trade what I see. So where do I see price getting to? Possibly, I honestly think the NASDAQ is going to make its way back down to 12,400. Now that's a long way down, guys, so if I'm correct, which I kind of wish I wasn't, I kind of wish I'm not correct, but based on what I can see in the charts, and we are very much due a correction in the market, I think the NASDAQ is on its way down to the 12,400 level, thereabouts, unfortunately. So if you're in technology stocks and all stocks at the moment, you're definitely going to feel some pain. I just want to show you something else. If I go over to the Dow Jones, this is the Dow Jones chart. Now I'm just going to be completely open and honest with you guys. I've actually shorted the Dow Jones because I believe Wall Street's about to move down. So I'm shorting the Dow Jones. Now I do have a portfolio and I am in a number of technology stocks, so I will feel that pain too, but that's just trading. We are absolutely due a market correction, so we need it in order to move higher. So this is the first day where I've seen the NASDAQ and the S&P and the Dow Jones moving in the same direction, which is what I wanted to see to confirm the signal. So this is like I said, the Dow Jones. So you can see this is a daily price bar. If we go down to the 1 hour, for example, you can see a nasty drop. So I've shorted it. I think it's around here I've shorted it. Now, I could be completely wrong, guys. Absolutely, completely wrong. But I'm trading what I see. I am expecting a retracement because we need it. And if I look at the S&P 500 as well, let me just show you that. This is the S&P 500 weekly chart. If we look at the daily, so we've got confirmation of price dropping on the Dow Jones, on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Now we haven't had that over the last few days. We've only had the NASDAQ and the Dow and the S&P quite resilient. But now we're seeing all three drop, which is a confirmation to me that the market's correcting. So if you're in stocks, guys, you're going to probably go through some pain short term. This is trading. This is professional trading and professional money taking out weak traders. So this is where you get tested. Now, those people on the internet, on YouTube and these different social media outlets, they're saying buy on the dips, double up, double down, dollar cost average and all these things. It's all very dangerous, guys. So just be careful. I really don't recommend doubling up on a losing trade because it could keep on dropping. So this is how I see it, guys. Just to go back to the NASDAQ now. Like I said, I think the NASDAQ will try to test the 12,400 level, thereabouts. And like I keep saying, all three indices, main indices, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 are all now moving down at the same time. That is a very significant sign that we're inside, well, at the beginning of a correction, I believe. Okay, so I've tried to get this out there to you guys as quickly as possible because I do care. I genuinely care about other people and their trading accounts. So if you think you can just stay in the markets and not feel some pain every so often, then you're in the wrong game. This is trading. It's a serious game, and this is where you will get tested if I'm correct in what I'm seeing here, guys. So please be aware and just stay focused, and we'll just have to see what happens. I'll do another video as soon as I see any updates. Thanks for listening. I'll speak to you soon.